Phthalate-free, bath toy with spinning rear propeller. Safe toys for toddlers, babies. Pool playing toy use. This water toy will help your kids or toddlers explore the terrain. Green Toys Submarine BPA, phthalate-free blue watercraft with spinning rear propeller made from recycled materials. Safe toys for toddlers. Watercraft features. This water toy features a spinning Green Toys Seaplane in green color BPA-free, phthalate-free floatplane for improving pincer's grip. Toys and games, 9x 9.5x 6 inches. DWI Dowellin Bath Toys Mold-Free Fishing Games Swimming Whales BPA-Free Water Table Pool Bath Time Bathtub Tub Toy for Toddlers Baby Kids Infant Girls Boys age 1 2 3 4 5 6 years old Bathroom Fish Set. Fun bath toys. This shark grabber bath toy is with cute shape design and an ergonomic grasp for kids' little hands, easy to press and grab the fish. This shark grabber was designed with an ergonomic grasp for children with smaller hands, easy to push/squeeze and grab the fish with one push of the button using only one hand.